Hi Alex, you're early today. Is everything okay?
I forgot my phone. I left it at home.
That's a surprise. You always carry your phone.
I feel strange. What if someone calls me?
Let's try something new. No phone today, just you and me.
It feels quiet, too quiet.
Quiet is good, it helps us think. Carry means to take something with you, like your phone or your bag.
I don't know what to do without my phone.
You can talk, you can listen, you can be here.
Okay, I will try. I keep checking my pocket. My phone is not there.
Every time you check, you must tell me a secret.
I have many secrets, but here's one: I don't like silence.
Silence is quiet, no talking, no noise. Silence helps us think. It is not empty, it is peaceful.
I always eat fast. Today feels slow.
Slow is nice, it helps us taste.
I like this breakfast. It feels real.
Real is better than perfect.
Maybe I don't need my phone right now.
Maybe you need this moment.
I never saw that painting before.
It has been here for a long time, you didn't look.
I always look at my phone, not at the world.
Today, you can look with your eyes and with your heart.
I didn't know the street was so pretty.
It's always been pretty, you just didn't see it. Notice means to see something carefully, like this flower.
I like walking slowly. It feels peaceful.
Peace is everywhere, we just forget to look.
No phones here. It's our cafe rule.
That's okay. I don't have mine.
Let's play a game, talk about your week, but no tech words.
Monday was loud. Tuesday was busy. Wednesday was quiet, like now.
You speak like a poet. A poet is someone who writes with feeling. You are learning.
I never noticed how many people smile.
Smiles are everywhere, you just need to see.
I used to write stories before I got busy.
What kind of stories?
Stories about people talking, feeling like this.
Maybe today is your new story. Used to means you did it before, but not now, you can start again. Alex, look at these birds.
They look free.
They are free, no phones, no stress.
I want to feel free too.
Then write these verbs: talk, walk, be here.
I don't know what to buy. My list is on my phone.
Let's choose with our eyes, look around.
This bread smells good. I want it.
Good choice. What about fruit?
These apples look fresh. I'll take 4. What is this cheese? It looks funny.
I call it adventure cheese. Adventure means trying something new. It can be fun.
I will choose adventure today. I usually search online. Now I must guess.
Trust your taste. Let's cook with feeling.
The toast is burning.
Turn it down. It's okay.
This meal is funny, but I like it.
Funny meals are the best meals. Guess means to try without knowing. It's part of learning.
I thought I would feel nervous, but I feel calm.
Phones help us, but sometimes they block real life.
Today feels real. I like it.
You are here. That is enough.
I never watched the sunset before. Not like this.
It's always here. You just didn't look. Block means to stop something. Phones can block feelings.
It's buzzing, but I don't want to check it.
That's good. You changed today.
I feel different. I feel light.
Light is good. It means free.
Let's do this again. No phone, just life.
Next time, maybe today's.
I didn't check my phone. I wrote instead. Today was quiet. Today was full. Today was real. I used to write stories. Now I write again. Used to means before, but now I begin again. Tomorrow I will write more. Today was enough.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share it with your friends.